Christmas on my vlog is there. It's me and this Tito Tato. And this is Mommy. This is Nanay and Lolo. And for today is the bihis sa taas natin because Christmas party natin. Because it's December 24. Ano, naman tayong manok natin.
O, wag mo na tanggalin. Pwede mo yan.
Kainin mo. Oh. Huwag mo na pagkala.
Sumayaw na ako. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Nakabigla yan. Namin na. Ha?
Ang ganda oh, ang ganda ng Christmas party. Kasama natin ang Christmas party, guys. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later, guys. One day before Christmas, see you later, guys. Bye!
Chinese ka pa rin. Sa akin, Chinese.